Our winning blend of stocks and cryptocurrencies is crafting a success story. And the best part, we are laying it all out. Every investment, every strategy for you to replicate absolutely for free. So keep watching to find out what new stocks and cryptocurrencies we are buying this episode. We took profit on two stocks, Google and Amazon. We were up a lot on these two stocks and there wasn't an opportunity to make a add-on. So we cashed out these two positions and had $110 sitting in the account. We then deposited $210, so we now have $320 to invest in stocks this episode. And we have more money besides that to invest in crypto, so stay tuned for that. But let's start with the stocks. The first stock we are going to buy is American Airlines. American Airlines is a publicly traded airline holding. The group operates the largest airline in the world. We already had $39 worth of the stock. We were almost up 40% in profit, but we made the mistake of not taking any profits at 40% profit, and we are now a little below our entry. So we thought it was a good opportunity to get a bigger position in this company, so we will buy more shares. If we take a look at the chart, you can see we gained the previous high and it is perfectly fine for us to make a higher low in this area. We are going to buy $66 worth of this stock at the current price, which will give us a little over 5 shares to add to the shares we already had. The next stock we are going to buy is Stanley Black & Decker. It is a Fortune 500 American manufacturer of industrial tools, household hardware and a provider of security products. This stock is new in our portfolio and the chart will explain why we are interested in this stock. We were in a big downtrend since May 2021 and are seeing signs of a rotation right now. As you can see, we gained the previous two highs and we are now in an area where we can make a new higher low. So we are buying $175 worth of this stock at the current price, which will give us a little over 2 shares. The next stock we are going to buy is Warner Brothers. I think we all know Warner Brothers. It is an American film and entertainment studio, and this is also a new stock we are going to add to the portfolio. As we can see on the chart, the Warner Brothers stock has also been in a very big downtrend since March 2021, and if we zoom in at the current price, we can see signs of a rotation. We gained two highs and we are slowly crawling back to the buy box area where we can make a higher low. We are going to buy $80 worth of this stock at the current price, which will give us almost 7.5 shares of this company. By the way, if you like what you are seeing, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thank you guys. So now let's get over to the cryptos. We have $98 to spend on crypto, and like usual, we are going to put the biggest portion of that into Bitcoin and Ethereum, because we don't want to put on a lot of risk on our portfolio. As we all know, altcoins are a huge risk, so we don't want to have a lot of that in our portfolio. This time we will put $40 both into Bitcoin and into Ethereum, so $80 in total. We won't take a look at the chart because the strategy we use, DCA or dollar cost averaging, will give us the best average price to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum over a longer period of time. But of course we have $18 left to invest in an altcoin, and the altcoin of this episode is going to be Dogecoin. As we all know, altcoins are a huge risk at this time, but we want to take this gamble. We heard rumors, I don't know if these are true, but we heard rumors that Elon Musk wanted to use Dogecoin on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, as a coin to use for payments on the platform. And of course, with all the hype around Elon Musk and him supporting Dogecoin, when a new bull run will happen, Dogecoin will probably go crazy like it did in past bull runs. But of course, no one will know it for sure. It is still kind of a gamble with these altcoins. And now we are already done with this episode. So we now have a total of $1,500 both in stocks and crypto. So we are almost 30% of the way done with this challenge. Only $3,500 left to earn with this challenge and then we are done.